Statistics. Question number 1. A statistics is very useful in dash. Option A. Economic planning. Option B. Transport. Option C. Agriculture. Option D. All of these. Answer all of these. Question number 2. Scope of statistics covers dash. A. Collection of data. B. Style. C. Check. D. None of these. Answer collection of data. Question number 3. Hypothesis testing is a part of dash. Option A. Economics. Option B. Marketing. Option C. Statistics. Option D. Business. Answer statistics. Question number 4. Statistics involve dash. A. Tabulation. B. Presentation. C. Analysis of data. D. All of these. Answer all of these. Question number 5. Alternative hypothesis is expressed by dash. A. Q1. Option B. P0. Option C. H1. Option D. H0. Answer H1. Question number 6. Which is a symbol of null hypothesis? Option A. Y0. Option B. B0. Option C. H0. Option D. H1. Answer H0. Question number 7. Which is a part of statistics? Option A. Tabulation. Option B. Internal. Option C. Navigation. Option D. Placing. Answer tabulation. Question number 8. Primary data is a type of dash. Option A. Data. Option B. Tabulation. Option C. Sample. Option D. None of these. Answer data. Question number 9. Method of collecting primary data is dash. A. Magazine. B. Schedule. C. Result. And D. None of these. Answer schedule. Question number 10. Commission report is source of dash data. A. Primary data. B. Secondary data. And C. Raw data. And D. None of these. Answer secondary data. Question number 11. Good sample involve dash. Option A. Homogeneous. Option B. Logically sound. Option C. Conformity. Option D. All of these. Answer all of these. Question number 12. Area of sampling is a dash. Option A. Type of tool. Option B. Data. Option C. Probability sampling method. Option D. Source. Answer probability sampling method. Question number 13. Non-probability sampling method is a dash. A. Auditing. B. Quota sampling. C. Raw. And D. Cluster. Answer raw. Question number 14. Which is a technique of deleting random sampling? Option A. Lottery technique. Option B. Regression. Option C. LIFO. Option D. EOQ. Answer lottery technique. Question number 15. Grade technique is used for dash. A. Study. B. Bias. And C. Selecting random sampling. And opinion. Answer selecting random sampling. Question number 16. In which methods sample of elementary units is selected in stage dash? Option A. Multistage sampling. Option B. Average. Option C. Mode. Option D. None of these. Answer multistage sampling. Question number 17. In which method one group constitute a sample for study dash? Option A. Cluster sampling. Option B. Collection. Option C. Correlation. Option D. System. Answer cluster sampling. Question number 18. Advantage of sampling is or dash. Option A. Time saving. Option B. Money saving. Option C. Intensive study. Option D. All of these. Answer all of these. Question number 19. Which is an assumption concept? Option A. Hypothesis. Option B. Average. Option C. Mode. Option D. Symbol weight. Answer hypothesis. Question number 20. Type of hypothesis is or dash. Option A. Correlation. Option B. Null hypothesis. Option C. Alternative hypothesis. Option D. B and C or null hypothesis and alternative hypothesis. Answer B and C. Null hypothesis and alternative hypothesis.